So I'm going to talk about the benefits of something called lecithin. You've probably seen it in certain ingredients, but I'm going to give you more awareness on exactly what it is. Lecithin is a fat-like substance found in all of your cells. It's also found in plant cells. And the Greek word for lecithin means yolk. Okay? Now, if you take a look at where you find lecithin, well, the top thing is an egg yolk. One egg would have 3,362 milligrams of lecithin, okay? 3.5 ounces of beef has 466 milligrams. 1/2 cup of cauliflower has 107 milligrams of lecithin. 1 ounce of peanuts has 105 milligrams of lecithin. Now, also, organ meats like liver is loaded with lecithin. The problem is when you see lecithin in certain ingredients, like it's in chocolate, it's in a lot of baked goods, it's in a lot of different products, that usually comes from soy. And the majority of soy is GMO. And the way that they extract lecithin from soy is using a solvent, hexane. I am not going to recommend that you get your lecithin from soy products. If you did happen to buy an ingredient that said soy lecithin, at the very minimum, make sure that it's organic soy, and then that way you know at least it's not going to be GMO. But lecithin is a component part of all of your cell membranes as well as bile. The best source of lecithin would be to consume the eggs or the beef or the organ meats. That's what I would prefer you consuming more than a supplement. But let's talk about the benefits of lecithin. Number one, it has huge benefits on your brain, okay? Why? Because lecithin helps to penetrate the brain and provide certain raw material for making neurotransmitters. So it's really good for people that have ADHD, memory issues, dementia, or tics or tremors, or any type of neurological issue. Lecithin is really good for the hair, the structure of the hair. Remember, it's involved in all the cell membranes. So if your hair's dried out, lecithin might be a good idea. Lecithin, which also contains choline, is very, very powerful in reversing a fatty liver. Lecithin triggers the release of bile, okay, from your gallbladder. And when you have more bile, you will have more breakdown or digestion of fat in your liver. Because bile helps regulate bacteria, and it ensures that bacteria doesn't overgrow, especially in the wrong place, like your small intestine, lecithin, because it triggers bile, is really good for SIBO, okay, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Also, lecithin can help you reduce your HDL. It can increase sperm count, improve fertility, so it's good for reproduction. It's really good for your skin if you have acne or psoriasis. Lecithin is involved in your lungs, okay, your ability to exchange oxygen. There are certain genetic conditions that you're born without enough lecithin and you have some major lung problems. So breathing requires lecithin. Also, lecithin is really important in cardiovascular function and regulating lipids and keeping your arteries nice and squeaky clean. Lecithin is an anti-inflammatory. And because lecithin triggers bile, it helps reduce the risk factor of gallstones. Make sure that you include foods high in lecithin, and this would be at the top of the list: egg yolks. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.